Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you here. Thank you for stopping by and spending some of your precious time with me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of fun little DIYs that I'm going to be doing for St. Patrick's Day. What you may not know about me is my family is Irish. My mother came over from Ireland when she was 17, 18. So she's a little leprechaun and she still has a little bit of her Irish accent. So St. Pat's Day is kind of a big deal to our family. Now I don't go all out and do a lot of decorating in my house for St. Patrick's Day, but I might put a little centerpiece together on my kitchen table, and I do like to put something on my front door. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today with these DIYs, is just something for my table and something for my front door. Believe it or not, I do not have anything like that for my home. So I thought, why not make it and share it with you in case you want to do something similar for your home. So without any further ado, let's get into the DIYs. To make the Shamrock Wreath, I went to Michael's for the key materials. Don't discount Michael's because some items are priced as low as the dollar store. And don't forget, they always have coupons you can use, and I used one for the ribbon, which ended up at 40% off. For these wood hearts and the wood circle, I paid 99 cents, which is just like going to the dollar store. And the bag of sparkly shamrocks I did pick up from the dollar store, and I already had all the paint and glue on hand, as well as the white ribbon. After painting the 3 wood hearts and the circle form, I let them thoroughly dry before gluing them together using my wood glue. As you can see, I'm using the circle form as the bottom, the base for my heart shapes in order to form the shamrock shape. Now while this was drying, I made my bow. I will leave a link to a video I made at Christmas time on how to make bows. This is by far the easiest method for making the perfect bow every time. A white ribbon tail, a white ribbon hanger, and another sparkly shamrock center, and this shamrock wreath was complete. But I did add one more touch in an ode to the Irish flag, some orange ribbons, and you will see that in just a few minutes. The Irish flag is green, white, and orange, so I thought it would be really pretty to add a touch of orange onto this wreath, and I absolutely loved the way it turned out. For the leprechaun hats, I went to the dollar store and I picked up some clay pots, the black sparkly ribbon, and the gold paper that you see. I already had all the paint, Mod Podge, and hot glue on hand. I'm only going to be using 2 of the small pots as well as the large one, as I like to decorate in 3s. Most designers recommend decorating in odd numbers, so if something seems off to you in your decor, try switching it up to an odd number and see if that helps the look of your display. I gave each of the pots 3 coats of the green paint. Once the paint had thoroughly dried, it was now time to add the sparkly black ribbon. Unfortunately, because of the shape of the pots, the ribbon doesn't really sit flat, but that was just fine with me. I just used my hot glue gun and adhered the ribbon to the pot. Then I cut out some squares from the gold sparkly paper. That was to make the buckles for the belt. I hot glued those to the seam of the ribbon so as to hide where the ribbon came together on the pot. Because I felt there was still something a little missing from these little hats, I hot glued a sparkly shamrock to the top of each one. I absolutely love the way these turned out. They're so cute and they are perfect either as a centerpiece on your kitchen or dining room table, or perhaps on your entryway table as I have them displayed here. You could also put them on your fireplace, mantle, anywhere that you want to add a little touch, a little luck of the Irish in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and give this video a thumbs up. Hit that little gray bell so you are notified each time I upload a video. And I would love if you would follow me over on Instagram at Thedivaden.1. And until next time, guys, Cad Míle Fáilte, which is Gaelic for 1,000 welcomes, 1,000 hellos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you also have a fabulous week. Cheers!
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, though it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now